Today we continue to talk about ControlLogix analog module configuration. Yesterday we talked about analog input module. Today we talk about analog output module. How to configuration. It's all the same thing with the input, but a little bit different in the configuration. Today we still use the ISLogic 5000 and emulation this programming. Let's start. First we build the program. We use the emulator is the analog output module. Here we just already built. Now we configuration here. Configuration we use the 0 and 0 to MA to 20 MA. We still same thing. Okay, this 20 is for MA. For MA, we use the frequency 0 to 6. Okay, that's it. And the program, we should build a new one and log output. Output function block. That's it. Okay, we should use the we don't use this hammer GSR. Okay, same thing yesterday, this one. Use process here. We use control tag. We use this one HMI VFD. Okay, VFD function. We use real. And here we use the analog output module is channel 0. Okay, that's it. It's real number. This is different. Yeah, this is 60. 0. In here we use 4 to MA, so it's this. This one minus that's it. We compare emulation. Okay, you watch. So, for example, if you from the SCADA on the HMI, send the VFD frequency, for example, 60 Hertz, is the analog output module digital line base 32767 is 100. Okay, this 20 MA. Okay, if you send 30, that is half. Okay, that's it. This is too simple. Okay, just completely converse with the analog input module in here. Maybe somebody ask me why you use this. If you use the SCADA on the HMI interface, if you want to, for example, if you want to enter the VFD frequency, you can build this one. This signal go to the analog output, go to the VFD. It's driver. Okay, that's it. Okay, very simple. Thank you very much.